Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today discuss about applications of acceleration on different surfaces like inclined plane and horizontal plane. Okay, that is discussed students. It's a very important topic for Olympiad and NEET level. Applications of acceleration Okay, in these applications of acceleration, first to discuss about horizontal smooth surface. Horizontal smooth surface. The first horizontal smooth surface. Okay, in this horizontal for smooth surfaces, first condition, first case is when a pull is horizontal, when pull is horizontal, okay, a block is lying on a horizontal floor or horizontal surface, smooth surface. The block of mass m, when pull is a horizontal, some pulling force, that is a force acting in this direction. The free body diagram, students, to identify the block of mass m, and the next to identify gravitational force. So one more thing, that is reaction force R. Okay, block is moving in forward direction, then acceleration also moving in forward direction in this way. When pull is horizontal, write the equations, is very important equations. R minus mg is equal to 0, then R is equal to mg, R is equal to mg, and F is equal to ma, and F is equal to ma, then acceleration is equal to force by mass, force by mass. This is first condition when pull is horizontal. The next, when a pull is acting at an angle theta, when pull is horizontal at an angle theta, to upward. Okay, when a pull is horizontal at an angle theta to upward, the force is acting a block of mass m, the force is acting in this way. Okay, the block is moving in this direction, making angle theta, okay. The one force is perpendicular to the surface, that is a normal reaction or reaction force or normal force R, and the gravitational force acting always vertically downward direction, mg acting always vertically downward direction, so making an angle theta. Okay, theta is resolved into two components, the one is the horizontal component and another one is the vertical component, so making an angle theta. Okay, this angle is f cos theta, horizontal component, and vertical component is the f sin theta, Okay, then write the equation first taking y axis. Okay, these two are acting in same direction, normal force and F sin theta, that is the vertically component of the force, so making angle theta is acting in upward direction. Normal force and vertically component of the force is acting same direction. R plus F sin theta is equal to mg. R plus F sin theta is equal to mg. Then R is equal to mg minus F sin theta. Mg minus F sin theta. And so one more thing, F cos theta is equal to mass into acceleration ma. Mass into acceleration ma. Then A is equal to F cos theta by m. F cos theta by m. Okay, this is the find out acceleration. This is the one of the application, is very important application for the NEET and JEE mains level. The second one is very important. NEET and JEE mains. Second application, when a pull is horizontal at an angle theta to upward, okay, the force is acting upward direction. Then another one more case, when pull is horizontal at an angle theta in to downward direction, okay, that is a third condition. When a push is acting, when push is acting an angle theta to the horizontal, that is a downward direction. Downward. So let us consider a block of mass m. One force is acting. So what type of force? Pushing force is acting an angle theta to the downward. And this is the force. Okay, now gravitational force is acting downward direction, and reaction force is acting upward direction. Okay, the force making an angle theta is acting downward direction. That is F. So making an angle theta. Okay, this is the theta, not this one. This angle is theta. That is angle theta. Okay, acceleration is acting forward direction. So from force also acting in the forward direction, block also acting forward direction, making angle theta in downward direction. Okay, write the equation first to R is equal to mg. Okay, making an angle theta is resolved into two components. One is a horizontal component, another one is a vertically component. This one is a vertically component, F sin theta. R is equal to mg plus F sin theta. The one more equation, F cos theta is equal to ma. This is a horizontal component. F cos theta is equal to ma. Then A is equal to F cos theta by m. A is equal to F cos theta by m. Okay, this is the application of acceleration acting along a horizontal smooth surface. Smooth surface. This is the first application of acceleration. Okay, next application of the acceleration of block on smooth inclined plane. Okay, in the previous application, acceleration of block on a smooth horizontal surface. In this one, smooth inclined plane, making angle, some angle theta. Okay, that one. Okay, the first two, case one, in this one, when inclined plane is at rest, when inclined plane is at rest, inclined plane is at rest. Okay, draw the inclined plane. Okay, this is the inclined plane. When one object, a block of mass m, a block of mass m, situated on the inclined plane, in this inclined plane is at rest, Okay, normal reaction is acting upward direction. This is a normal reaction, or okay, mg is acting downward direction, gravitational force is acting downward direction, making an angle theta, the force is acting in this direction, the force F acting upward direction, and the block is acting, the acceleration of the block acting in downward direction. A is acting in downward direction, making angle theta. Theta is resolved into two components, making an angle theta. First one is mg cos theta, and in this one mg sin theta. The making an angle theta is resolved into two components, already discussed in the previous sessions. So making an angle theta is resolved into two components. First one is a horizontal component taking a cos theta, and vertical component is take sin theta. Okay, in this one, so normal reaction R. Okay, R is equal to mg cos theta. These two are acting in opposite direction. R minus mg cos theta is equal to 0. Then R is equal to mg cos theta. That is the normal reaction. The normal reaction R minus mg cos theta is equal to 0. Then R is equal to mg cos theta. The force along a inclined plane. F is equal to mg sin theta. Here F is equal to MA. MA is equal to mg sin theta. Then A is equal to g sin theta. This is the first case when an inclined plane is at rest. A is equal to g sin theta. The second application, when an inclined plane give a horizontal acceleration b. This is the first condition. The second condition, when inclined plane when inclined plane given a horizontal given a horizontal acceleration b, horizontal acceleration b. Okay, first draw the inclined plane making an angle theta. This is the inclined plane. Making an angle theta. A block is situated on the inclined plane. Situated on the inclined plane. A block of mass m is situated on an inclined plane. Since the body lies in an accelerating frame, an inertial force mb acts on its opposite direction. So making an angle theta, the reaction force acting upward direction. So one force is acting downward direction, that is the mg, that is a gravitational force is acting downward direction. So making an angle theta, making an angle theta, making an angle theta, okay, is resolved into two components. First one is the mg cos theta, mg cos theta, and so one more thing, that is the mg sin theta, mg sin theta. Okay, mg sin theta. When inclined plane given a horizontal acceleration b, horizontal acceleration is a b, okay, acceleration is b acting, and so making an angle theta, making, okay, making this angle is theta, theta is resolved into two components, okay, the acceleration is acting forward direction, a into b, ab cos theta, horizontal component. The vertically component is ab sin theta, or mb, not ab, mb, the mass of the block m, and in this way mg sin theta plus mb sin theta is acting. Okay, then find out first to find out normal reaction or reaction force. Okay, students, don't confuse in this one. When an inclined plane given a horizontal acceleration b, first to draw the inclined plane making an angle theta. It's a block of mass m situated or lies on inclined plane. Okay, lying on a inclined plane, so two forces are acting. One force is perpendicular to the horizontal surface, that is a normal force or reaction force, or is acting upward direction. So one force is acting always downward direction, that is mg, gravitational force is acting downward direction. So making an angle theta, the theta is resolved into two components, mg cos theta and mg sin theta. The block is moving in forward direction, the block is moving in forward direction. So making an angle theta, that acceleration b, okay, is resolved into two components. First one is the mb cos theta, horizontal component, and vertical component is the mg sin theta, sin theta. First to take y-axis or some minus of mg cos theta plus mb sin theta is equal to 0. Simple thing, r minus mg is equal to 0, then r is equal to mg, then r is equal to mg cos theta plus mb sin theta, mg cos theta plus mb sin theta, and f is equal to mg sin theta minus mb cos theta, mg sin theta minus mb cos theta. Here f is equal to ma, according to Newton's second law, f is equal to ma is equal to mg sin theta minus mb cos theta. Okay, then a is equal to g sin theta minus b cos theta. This is the acceleration. The acceleration is the find out in an inclined plane given a horizontal acceleration b. Horizontal acceleration is b. Then find out reaction force and acceleration find out. The condition for the body to be at rest relative to the inclined plane, then a is equal to g sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to 0. Then b is equal to tan theta. This is the condition. B is equal to g tan theta. G tan theta. Okay, this is the condition. Hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.